Detailed review of the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 color inkjet printer. Introduction. The Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is a color inkjet printer that is designed for home and small office use. It features 4 individual ink tanks and a high-capacity refillable ink system that is designed to save money on ink costs over the long term. In this detailed review, we will take a closer look at the features and performance of the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 to help you decide if it is the right printer for your needs. Design and features. The Epson EcoTank ET-2760 has a compact and modern design that looks great in any home or office setting. It measures 14.8 by 13.7 by 9.4 inches and weighs just 13.2 pounds, making it easy to move around and store when not in use. The printer has a 2.4-inch color LCD screen that allows for easy navigation of the printer's menus and settings. One of the standout features of the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is its high-capacity refillable ink system. Instead of using expensive ink cartridges, this printer features 4 individual ink tanks that can be refilled with Epson's high-capacity Ecotank ink bottles. According to Epson, one set of Ecotank ink bottles can print up to 7,500 pages in black or 6,000 pages in color, which can save you a lot of money on ink costs over time. The printer also features wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet, which allows you to print from a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. In addition, the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 supports popular mobile printing platforms such as Apple AirPrint and Google Cloud Print. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 excels in both speed and print quality. The printer can print up to 10 pages per minute in black and white and up to 5 pages per minute in color, which is fast enough for most home and small office needs. In addition, the printer supports automatic 2-sided printing, which can save you time and paper. The print quality of the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is also impressive. The printer uses precision core technology to produce sharp and vibrant prints with accurate colors and clean lines. The printer can print at a maximum resolution of 5760 by 1440p, which is more than enough for most home and small office needs. One thing to note is that the printer can be a bit noisy during operation, especially when printing in color. However, this is a minor issue that is not likely to be a deal-breaker for most users. TFTUC Va Kong Trung Lap. Additional features. In addition to its core features, the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 comes with several additional features that enhance its overall functionality. For example, the printer has a built-in memory card slot that allows you to print photos directly from your camera's memory card without the need for a computer. The printer also has a front-facing USB port that allows you to print documents directly from a USB flash drive. Another useful feature of the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is its mobile printing capabilities. In addition to supporting Apple AirPrint and Google Cloud Print, the printer also supports Epson Connect, which allows you to print from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. With Epson Connect, you can also scan documents and photos directly to your mobile device for easy sharing and storage. Finally, the printer comes with a variety of software tools that make it easy to manage and customize your printing experience. For example, The Epson ePrint app allows you to print and scan from your mobile device, while the Epson Creative Print app allows you to create custom greeting cards, calendars, and more using your own photos. User-friendliness. One of the best things about the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is how easy it is to use.